Forget Botox and fillers. Cosmetic surgery is heading a whole other direction with the latest trend in anti-aging called the vampire facial. The procedure hit the headlines after the reality TV star Kim Kardashian aired herself undergoing the procedure on her show.
Oh my god, I will never get a facelift if it feels like that.
With promises of a more younger, firmer looking skin, this facial is Australia's newest and hottest cosmetic facelift to hit the market.
I like the fact that it uses your own body's cells rather than chemicals or ingredients that are induced from other sources.
Nurse practitioner Catherine Millard-Shannon has been conducting the procedure for the last 2 years and says the treatment is simple.
So the benefits of PRP for patients is they have that nice, tight, bright, youthful appearance with the natural product. With platelet-rich plasma, we take 20 ml of blood from a patient's arm. We then put that into a vial, which then is placed into a centrifuge, which is a blood machine, a portable blood machine. It then spins the blood for about 6 minutes, and then it separates itself with the red blood cells from the white blood cells and the stem cells in between. Once the plasma is extracted from the vials, we then can either inject, derma-roll or derma-pen the plasma to a patient's face.
It seems to be worth all the poking and probing, with the apparent benefits being more than just good skin.
We're also using it for hand rejuvenation, neck and décolletage. PRP is not only used for facial rejuvenation, we're actually using it for our hair and our scalps to help stimulate hair regrowth. I myself suffer from alopecia and I do it 4 times a year, and I find that it strengthens my hair and it stops it from falling out.
PRP does not tighten the skin, cannot tighten the skin, will not tighten the skin. It's impossible.
Dr. Paul Spano, cosmetic physician and founder of Skinovate Melbourne, has been in the industry for 16 years. He says medical procedures used cosmetically do not have the same effect.
We know scientifically that, again, the growth factors inside the platelets, if put into an area of the body, will help regenerate skin and cellular damage. However, whether that translates into a person actually seeing more hair growing on their head in a real sense, in a cosmetically acceptable sense, is very debatable.
With more and more people reportedly spending thousands of dollars on facelifts such as these, what needs to be known is, does the procedure work?
What we find is the PRP is a nice additive to other therapies to help someone rejuvenate their skin in terms of the way it looks, the way it feels, and the way light reflects off it.
And it's not just PRP that's deemed extreme. Popular in China, the fire facial involves an alcohol-soaked towel being placed on the face, then set alight, and then pulled off the face before burning. It's said to cure tired-looking skin, but together with other facials, can be very dangerous.
Facelift surgery involves general anaesthetic risks, normal anaesthetic risks, infection, scarring, nerve damage, muscle damage, and then a very unnatural look.
And as the cosmetic world continues to get more outrageous, what does this ultimately mean for consumers?
A person in society has a lot of options in terms of reducing their fat, reducing their wrinkles, improving their hair, making their eyes sparkle, making their teeth shine, improving their sex drive, slowing down the aging process, all of this kind of thing. And it's just a reflection of where we are in science and where we are in society.
Jonathan tells me about this blood facial, and I love trying anything that makes you look and feel youthful.
Basically, people want to sell you something, and people will get celebrities to promote and advertise these things in order to get business and make money.
Natasha Bahadeen reporting for Mojo.